Hallo und herzlich willkommen. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topics in German grammar, prepositions. In German we say it as Präpositionen. If you want to speak German correctly, understand German conversation, to pass Goethe exams, or to build longer sentences, you must learn prepositions properly. So, what is preposition basically? A preposition is a small word that shows the relationship between people, objects, place, time, and actions. In English, we have prepositions, for example, in, on, at, under, with, for, from, to. In German, these words are called Präpositionen. Präpositionen. In German, we have, for example, ich gehe in die Schule. I go to school. Das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. The book is on the table. Ich komme aus Indien. I come from India. So here notice that the preposition tells us where, when, why, or how something happens. So why are German prepositions important? German prepositions are special because they control the grammatical case of the noun that follows them. A preposition can require four types of prepositions in whole German language, but as of now we are in A1 level, and according to the Goethe syllabus we do learn only three cases, which means three case prepositions. One is accusative, one is dative, another one is two-way prepositions, Wechsel prepositions, which means it takes in a two-way preposition, single preposition can take accusative as well as dative. When it takes accusative and dative, we will see it later. But in A1 level, we have three prepositions. One is accusative, dative, and two-way prepositions. Therefore, when you learn a preposition, you should also learn which case it takes. So first case preposition is an accusative case preposition. This prepositions always requires the accusative case, which means whenever you are using these prepositions, you should the following noun should, or a cases should follow always accusative case, since it is a accusative preposition. For example, just to you need to memorize this list of prepositions in accusative. One is durch, which means through, für means for, gegen means against, ohne, which means without, at or around, bis, until, entlang is along. So we will see one by one with examples so that you will understand. We are learning on now accusative case prepositions, which means after a preposition, accusative preposition, following should be in a accusative case. The first one we will take für. Für means in English for. Wir müssen für die Prüfung lernen. What does it mean? We have to study or we must study for the exam. So if you observe, wir müssen für die Prüfung lernen. The Prüfung, whenever you are learning a noun, you must remember you should learn along with the gender of the noun. So here the Prüfung gender is female, basically female, the noun of. So accusative feminine is die itself. So wir müssen für die Prüfung lernen. And next preposition is in a accusative case, is at. You can say das Meeting ist 14 Uhr. Which means the meeting is at 2 p.m. The next preposition is durch, which means through. He walks through the park. We can say geht durch den Park. So if you observe here, park is basically a masculine noun. Here, since we are using accusative case preposition, the following noun, masculine noun. What is accusative masculine? Then. So then the dusty, right? You know that then park. Er geht durch den Park. The next preposition is gegen, against. Das Auto fährt gegen den Baum. What is Baum? Baum is tree. Also here the tree is masculine again, the noun. Gegen is again accusative case, accusative masculine is then. Das Auto fährt, the car, auto means here in German, das Auto, car is neutral. Fährt, which means drives or goes, so travels. The car drives against, gegen means against the tree. Next one is ohne. Ohne means without. Ich trinke Kaffee ohne Zucker. Ich trinke Kaffee ohne Zucker, which means I drink coffee without sugar. Is it clear? So since the coffee and the ohne, we don't have sugar. Here we are not taking any kind of article, so it's okay. Ohne sugar we can write. The next preposition in accusative case is bis, which means until. Until. Wir warten bis nächsten Montag. We are waiting. Warten means to wait as a verb. We are waiting or we wait until next Monday. Next is Monday. I will teach you later about when to use next. But next is next Montag, next Monday. Next one, entlang. Entlang. What is entlang? Entlang is along. We are going or we are walking along the river. Wir gehen den Fluss entlang. Wir gehen den Fluss entlang. Or you can also use wir gehen entlang den Fluss. Is it clear? Okay. So always remember here what are the things you need to remember is very simple. Just try to remember the first letters in a prepositions. Okay, for example, as we know, durch, likewise you have to remember the first letters. Okay,